How would you be, guys? In this one, I'm going to be putting these cheap spoke wraps on my Softail Street Bob. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I really want to change out my wheels for the DNA Mammoth fat spoke wheels. But I don't know whether I want to go with black spokes or with the chrome spokes. So this is just going to give me an idea as to whether I prefer the look of the chrome spokes or black spokes on the Softail Street Bob. So these spoke wraps that I got are from an Australian company called Third Gear, and in a packet they come in two different sizes. They come to fit a 21-inch front wheel and they come to fit an 18-inch rear wheel. And these spoke wraps fit spokes up to 4mm in diameter, so they're perfect for the Softail Street Bob spokes. So what I'm going to do is just remove one of these, whack it on one of the spokes and measure it to size, and then cut them all to size before whacking them on. So let's get to it. So the first thing to do is to jack the bike up so the front and the rear wheels spin freely, so it's easier to whack the spoke wraps on. And that's the perfect length. So what I'm going to do is just take that back off and put it next to all the others and cut them to that length. Hey mate, sit on Dad's lap. Alright guys, so that's the black spoke wraps installed. I gotta say it was an absolute pain in the ass installing them. Alright guys, so that's the black spoke wraps installed. I gotta say, for 38 bucks, I'm extremely happy with the way it's made the bike look. In my opinion, it's made it look a hell of a lot better. For 38 bucks, I really can't fault it. And it's really helped me decide with what spokes I'm gonna go with when I get the DNA Mammoth wheels. And obviously, I'm gonna go with the black spokes. So that's gonna do it for this one. Thanks very much for watching. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.